Good afternoon, my name is Catalina Jaramillo. This is the speech number 3 for my speech class in Valencia Community College. Did you know that life and death is in our food and we have control over what we eat? We are responsible for what we put in our bodies. We choose which sicknesses to get according to our ways of life. Eating habits have as much to do with one's sickness as do genes which flow down from our ancestors. Pesticide-treated crops are poisonous not only to the pests that try to eat them, but also to the humans who are meant to consume the crops. Why? Because pesticides are meant to kill any living organism which try to consume the crops being grown. We are not killed automatically by these pesticide-treated crops because of the amount of killing agents are very small, yet still the remains are capable of producing cancer. Another fatal illness. Let's analyze this. How would you feel if not only you feed poison to yourself and your children? How you feel if you had a choice? Well, you do. According to the World Health Organization, in his article, Pesticides said that even though crops in the USA are regulated, they are still being produced and sold without the appropriate requirement of environment authorities. Even products which are not treated with pesticides are covered with products to make them last longer, but which are equally toxic. It has been proven in the analysis presented by the University of California that leading cause of cancer is due to the food we eat. Laboratory tests have shown that animals which are given pesticide-treated food are 59% more likely to get cancer than animals that eat non-pesticide-treated foods. Again, epidemiology research has shown that there is a relationship between consuming pesticide-treated foods and various types of cancer. One reason why certain crops that are bought in the USA contain inappropriate amount and type of pesticide is because the crops come from other countries. Countries which are developing countries and which do not have to meet the same regulation as the crops in the USA do. For example, the US saltpeter has a preservative for meat has been proven to be highly toxic to humans. Then it's up to you. You can decide whether or not to give yourself and those around you poison-loaded foods, or make a change and decide to stay healthy. A way to change all dangerous eating habits is to check the labels on the product you consume at home. Check which countries they come from, what preservatives and pesticides they contain. Also, you can only buy crops at local farmer markets. And make sure that the crops you buy are treated with pesticide feed for human consumption or biopesticides. By eating wisely, you will not only better protect you and those you feed against the harmful effects of pesticides, but you will feel more energized due to the cleanliness of the food you will eat. You will notice a more youthful skin, and you will think more clearly and sharply. In conclusion, now we know that life and death are in our food, and we can control what goes in our system. Let's change our habits for long life with more energy, youthful skin, speed, and mental clarity. Thank you.